this video, I'm going to teach you how to allow Facebook pre-approval on your group. Maybe someone pay you to post something on your group. Now you want to make a pre-approval to her group so that when he posts direct without waiting your approval. In today, I'm going to show how to set pre-approval on your group automatically. So now what you need to do is just go to your group, just go right here on left corner and go to your group, and you go to your group. Now you can select the kind type of your group you want to set pre-approval. For example, I'm going with this first group here. This is my first group. So in order to pre-approve a member, now just go to manage. Just to go to manage. When you go to manage, you will see a lot of information about your group because you are admin. Now go to the pending post to find someone who posts on your group. Here I'm going to teach you if you are admin and you want to pre-approve someone who posts. For example, I'm not using light Facebook. I'm just using a normal Facebook. I'm not using a light Facebook. I'm just using a normal Facebook. Find someone you want to approve. For example, this one, purely. For example, this purely. You just come here and click this. No, not here. Just come here and click here. And click here. Yes. You'll see many information, but you can see here approval and the pre-approval here. You can see here approval and the pre-approval member. Now click here approval and pre-approval member. Whenever this person post on your group, he will post direct to your group without waiting for your approval. In this way, you can approve a lot of people or any amount of people you want, because I know that you have a group and there is people who need to sponsor their content on your group. So now it is time to put a pre-approval for them. In a summary, you just log into your Facebook account and go to your group. Find your group want to pre-approval and click manage. When you click manage and go to the pending post, find someone who posts or ask for someone to post. When he posts, now you come here and click this dot, click here and you see here pre-approval, approve and pre-approval author, and click here. When you click here, you'll see, yeah, my post is gone and I'm already pre-approval the person. Thank you for your time. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. Thank you.